Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Let us read something very interesting today. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. The name of today's wonderful story is The Power of Respect. Get ready, you are going to read it aloud with me. Once in a big city, there was a rich man named Amar. He had a lot of money and power, but he treated his employees badly, thinking he was better than them. One day, a new guy named Rahul started working for Amar. Rahul was a hard worker and treated everyone nicely. As time went on, Amar faced problems in his business. People didn't want to help him because he had treated them badly. But Rahul, who had treated everyone with respect, had friends willing to help. When an important job came up, Amar struggled to get help and his business started falling apart. On the other hand, Rahul easily got help because people liked and respected him. In the end, Amar's business failed because he didn't have real friendship or respect. Rahul, with his respectful ways, not only succeeded in the job but also became a leader others looked up to. This shows that being kind and respectful is not just good for friends but also helps you succeed in the long run. Moral of the story is respect is the cornerstone of true power and enduring success. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.